Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, we'll be making Filipino meatloaf or embutido. Let's start by sauteing the garlic, followed by the onion, seasoned with salt and freshly ground peppers. Then set it aside and let it cool down first before mixing to the meatloaf or embutido mixtures. Let's pan fry the red and green bell peppers seasoned with salt and then set it aside to cool down. Soak in a warm water the sun-dried raisins to rehydrate in 10 to 15 minutes. For the ingredients, I combine this ground pork and the ground beef. I already put the ground beef and ground pork in the bowl. Then I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon each. As of now. Then adding the sauteed garlic and onions, the bell peppers, green and red, and the carrots. Just be gentle mixing. Let's mix the evaporated milk, the 3 eggs, and this bread. Bit good now. And then the bread. Let's add the egg mixtures to the meat mixtures. Anyway, the reason why I'm mixing gentle because I'm gonna mix it later with my hands. And for tangy flavors, I'm adding sweet pickle relish, then to smooth the taste, I'm adding, this is an optional, rehydrated raisins. Some people, they don't like this to add, but this is an optional, okay? And then, adding sugar, 1 tablespoon. Just be gentle. I'm gonna wash first my hands, and then I'm gonna mix everything, okay? Then add in cheese. Then half can of the spam, original flavor, okay? For adding umami taste, I'm adding liquid seasoning. Wash again my hands. Okay. I'm gonna mix first everything before adding this oyster sauce. It's better to use your hands. The tomato ketchup gives a good color too. If you don't want to put tomato ketchup, you can add paprika. One important step before wrapping your meatloaf or embutido, fry a bit of the mixture to taste the mixture. Please watch how I wrap the embutido or Filipino meatloaf. There are two kinds of fillings, the combination of hot dogs and hard-boiled eggs, and the other one is the Chinese sausage and cheese fillings. Putting a fillings is an optional step because the meat mixtures, it's already yummy! Usually, to cook embutido is through steaming. But my version, I'm going to steam bake. I'm adding water. But if you serve this on a holiday, it is best to add pineapple juice for holiday feel. I steam bake my embutido or meatloaf in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. Here's my version of Filipino meatloaf or embutido. Let me taste. It's good. This is with the cheese. The one with the hot dog. Hot dog. It's good too. Actually, guys, even without the filling, this is good. Because the meat mixtures itself, it has different of flavors, variety. My recipes just serve as a guide, but it's up to you if you want your meatloaf or embutido to be salty, sour, or sweet. Please try this embutido. It's really moist, not dry. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!